Good morning all. Welcome dear students. Today we are going to start with second sem. Already I have circulated the syllabus portion and the paper pattern in different groups. That is, I have circulated in C section and D section and B section also. You can now go through the syllabus and paper pattern from the group which has been circulated in the group itself. Today, we have seen that the basic difference between the first sem paper pattern and the second sem paper pattern is only in unit number 4. यूनिट नंबर 1 में प्रोज सेक्शन पूछते हैं, यूनिट नंबर 2 में भी प्रोज सेक्शन है, यूनिट नंबर 3 इज रिलेटेड विद पोइट्री 1 and then the grammar 1 and the fifth one is related with the writing skills 1. The basic difference between the paper pattern is also the same of first sem and the second sem. Only the difference is there in the lessons, the poems, writing skills and the grammar section, which includes articles, prepositions, interjections and conjunctions ones. जो mark section है और distribution of mark is same as which is there in first sem. So it has been circulated in groups, no need of detailed explanation. Today we are going to move with general words which are mispronounced by students. 15 words we are going to see today. Generally the first word जो अभी pronounced किया है यहाँ देखा है कि pronounced word बोलते हैं, but original the pronunciation, ये word जो हम when we are going to speak it is generally seen that English, you feel that English is a very easy, some feel that English is a very language, you can move with it very easily. Definitely English is a very easy language, you can move with it, but it is necessary that pronunciation of different words when we speak up fluently is necessary, which impacts the listener. Good communication affects or highlights good personality. So it is necessary that pronunciation of different words should be exactly so that, or should be the correct one, which creates a good impact on others. The first one, इसका उच्चारण जो है pronounced नहीं है, यहाँ noun word नहीं आता है जब हम pronounce करते हैं. The original pronunciation यहाँ none word है, pronunciation. So the original pronounced word नहीं बोलेंगे हम, और we are going to speak a pronunciation. His pronunciation, for example, I can use the word, his pronunciation is very good. He is good in his pronunciation, or his pronunciation motivates people. तो उच्चारण उसका है pronunciation. Second word, says. Mostly, most of the students use this word, or they spell this word or pronounce this word says. It is not says, it is says. He says he is not well today. He says he would be joining tomorrow in the class. So ये words अब आप next time when you are going to spell it, don't spell as says, it is says. Says. Z का उच्चारण आना चाहिए. He says his bottle is very good. Next, the third word, which is very common. Generally this word is used nowadays. Lockdown में बहुत word use होता है, especially जिस दिन tie up हो जाता है, there is a where we don't have to go out of house. So generally we see that people, those who are loitering here and there and helping, or those who are loitering here and there, has been held by a particular genre of individuals. Those are called police. So the pronunciation of this word, most of the people pronounce this word as police. So it is not police. The pronunciation of that word is police. Police. Next word which we are going to see is, which has been read by all of you. ये जो next word है, सभी ने पढ़ा है, from childhood आपने पढ़ा होगा. The word is poem. Most of the students pronounce this word as poem, और कुछ ऐसे भी pronounce करते हैं poem. ये pronunciation जो उसका है poem है, not poem. It is poem, or we, in American, there is a difference between the American pronunciation and the British pronunciation. Here we are going to concentrate on the American one. The next word is, जब हम press करते हैं, iron करते हैं clothes को, most of the students है कोई जो individuals रहते हैं वो iron भी pronounce करते हैं. So the correct word is not iron one, it is iron. I am ironing my clothes today. I would iron my clothes today, which would help me to go to the party. My clothes have been ironed by my mother. The next word, which makes us happy when we get it. The next word is coupon. The next word is coupon. The pronunciation of that word is coupon. It is not coupon, it is coupon. I have got 12 coupons for the fair. I would be using the coupons, word nahi hai, coupons, and going to the fair. Next word is, which is generally pronounced again wrong by many kids. It is not genre, it is genre. Genre is a group of anything. Group of plants भी कह सकते हैं. The pronunciation is not genre, the pronunciation is genre. The followed word is comment. Generally we pronounce the word comment. It is not comment, it is comment. We should not pass bad comments on anybody. It is not comment, it is comment. We should not pass loose comments on others. Passing comments on anyone is very wrong. So the pronunciation of the word is not comment, comment it is. Moving further, for the word I am feeling comfortable. यहाँ it is not table, comfortable. It is comfortable. 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 यहाँ t-b-l है. Most of the students यहाँ table words देख के they pronounce in the word comfortable. It is not comfortable. It is comfortable. Next word is table again here. Table. Here we are going to stress on T word. Table. It is table. Moving further, the word which is pronounced again wrong is suit. Suit is a living room, or it is a dining room, we can say. His suit, or the restaurant has good suits. So the next word is, it is not pronounced suit, it is sweet. It is sweet. The sweet of the restaurant is very good. Moving ahead, the word which is mispronounced again is restaurant. It is not restaurant, it's restaurant. The original pronunciation of this word is restaurant. यहाँ restaurant, most of the students or kids pronounce in this way, restaurant, restaurant. It is not restaurant, it is restaurant. Again, moving ahead, the next word, it is not breakfast. It is not breakfast, it is breakfast. Again I will repeat, it is not breakfast, it is breakfast. यहाँ first FST, we are going to stress on breakfast. Next word is not chocolate. It is not chocolate, it is chocolate. We should spell this word not as chocolates but chocolates. Children prefer chocolates instead of ice cream. Children like, or kids love chocolate, and it is not chocolate. Again we'll move with the first word. The first word is pronunciation. His pronunciation is very good. He is good in pronunciation. It is not says, it is says. He says he is right. He says he is correct. The next word is often. Both here often and often word is correct. But generally we prefer, or we should prefer, to spell the word as often. Often and not as often. Often is generally an American pronunciation. Next word is police. Not police, it is police. Moving further, the next word is not iron, it is iron. It is not iron, it is iron. I am ironing my clothes. Iron. Next word is not coupon, coupon. I have got 12 coupons for the fair. Next word is comment. It is comment, not comment. Moving ahead, it is comfortable. Next, the 12th one, it is suit. It is not suit word, it is suite, which is called a living room. Next word is not restaurant, it is restaurant. Next word is not breakfast, it is breakfast. He is having his breakfast, and we should not spell as he is having breakfast. Next word is chocolate and not chocolate. We have gone through 12 words today. We would be leading ahead with the remaining words in the next class. Thank you everybody.